Previously on GregKav Vlogs.
The fans need to keep on going. It's water.
From what?
It's overheating.
We're stranded in the middle of the road. Harry's car does not work. Oh, we got a pet, we got a pet.
What was the wombat?
Oh, look how close. No, don't touch him.
No, don't do that. Raven! No! No!
Don't waste it, bro. We have to go collect it ourselves. What is up, guys? Your boy GregKav. I'm back with another video. It's day 2 of our survival adventure. Last night you missed us finally finished the tent after about 2 hours. Tent's all set up. Beautiful. We got another one there. Lovely. And then we had some dinner. We've got dinner, eating like savages. Got some beans, we've got some corns, baked beans. We are the Desperate Housewives.
Desperate Housewives right here.
It was exotic cuisine. Now we're gonna have some breakfast. Oh, watch out, watch out. Watch out. What's that? The wild one. We went hunting. We caught this with our bare hands. Hunting like savages. Yeah. We heard there's a storm coming tonight, so we don't know what we're gonna do to prepare for that. Kmart tent. I mean, the tent we made ourselves is standing up pretty well. It survived one night, but is it gonna survive a storm? I don't know. We're gonna find out day 3. Be sure to subscribe, join the Cav squad so that you can be a part of this survival adventure. Who else is doing this? Who else is putting their bodies to the extreme? No one. No one is living like savages. We're the only people here. It's actually a very hot day today, and tomorrow is gonna be a lot cooler. So we're gonna take the opportunity up and we're gonna go to the beach today. So it's gonna be fun. I'm getting a bit hungry and I'm just gonna prepare in case, you know, we're running out of food. I think I need to start going to last resort matters now. So I'm gonna have to go eat Raven. I got him, Harry.
Raven, yeah, catch
No, Raven, Harry, I did it.
Go away.
Yeah, come have some.
Bro, we needed to do it. We're set now.
You can have his leg. You know what, I'm just gonna eat him whole.
Bro, yeah, straight up. I'm gonna start right here.
Basically, the boys, they're bloody swimming, having fun, while the hunters over here,
Yeah, we gotta feed them.
we have to go catch food, hunting in the wild. Got our fishing rods. It's Harry's first time fishing, guys. We're having a father and son experience.
Look, bro, I haven't even took the tag off, man. I haven't even taken the tag off yet.
So, come on, son, just pick it up like this. Yep, just hold it like this. Just hold it like this.
Oh, Daddy! You've been here 5 minutes. Bro, that's good.
Wow, seaweed.
That's a good one.
Alright guys, we've gone hunting, we need to cook our food now. So, we built up this quick little barbecue here. And, lucky enough, Harry knows how to bake bread. So we got a loaf of bread. We saw some chickens like in the distance. So you know what? We went and collected some eggs. So we got some there.
I actually got quite a few.
We actually found there was actually a lot of chickens.
Yeah, there was actually a lot. So.
We were surprised. Obviously we've done all our hunting, called all our fish.
Yeah, we went fishing and we got the eggs.
We're gonna cook for the boys now.
Wait, bro, Raven, there's so much corn juice in here, bro. Can you just get rid of it for us, please?
So I'm only gonna drink it because dehydration is hydration.
Like, that's actually everywhere.
Do you dream about corn juice when you sleep?
Yeah, Raven!
Catch it.
I'm as shocked as you are.
Is there sand in the lens? Hey Harry!
The big truck!
Is there sand in the lens?
Truck! Oh!
Two girls here are being weird. They're trying to get their female's attention, but the females don't want to borrow it. GregKav he's almost broke his neck. Raven's coming to break it up. Raven's like, come on boys, that's enough. They're still going at it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know we've been bragging about going hunting and catching eggs, but this time it's actually serious. We swam in the ocean over there, bare hands. Grabbed the octopus, grabbed it like this.
Like this there.
We got a whole handful
them, bro.
of octopus, and now we're gonna go start a campfire and cook them ourselves. Okay, we're gonna gather some sticks now, and we're gonna live like true cavemen.
Alright guys, we've collected our firewood. We've got the kindle. We're ready.
We're man versus wild out here.
So what we've done is, we've structured the rocks in a circular pattern, and then we've added some kindle to... And now we have extra rocks falling on us from above. We've set up the kindle at the bottom, and then we've got the firewood stemming to the gods of fire.
Guys, we need something to start the fire with. So pray to the gods, and they'll give us something.
Guys!
What?
What's this?
Oh, there it is. Cheers. Alright, okay, so we got our flint and steel. I think we can light the fire now.
Bro, wait, this is actually gonna work? Come on.
Your hand's getting sore, bro?
No, it's actually hot. Are you bleeding? You're full bleeding.
Oh, he sliced his hand.
Oh, shit. You're gonna have to calm down, bro. Let us do it.
Let me cauterize it, bro. Quick. Electricity or something coming out of it.
Oh, wait. Stay. No, we need to. We need to feed it, this stuff here. Ah, shit. Put in.
Alright, guys,
Round
take two.
Take two then.
We stuffed up the first one because we didn't have enough kindle, but we got more kindle. Oh. See?
We need these ones to stop. This is exactly what we want. Wait.
That's a lot of
No, put more. Oh, we started with flint and steel.
We're fire. Guys!
Oh my god!
What the heck, dude? Oh my gosh! What the?
Bro!
Dude.
What's happening?
Bro, it's going green. I'm done. I'm bleeding, bro. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. We can't do this anymore.
Guys, fire is nice and hot. And like I said earlier, we went and caught a couple octopus by hand.
Dude, I still got. Look at these sky, bro.
We're gonna have a go at cooking them.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Go anywhere.
What we do, we call this blind cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, it adds a bit of spice to the experience as a whole, because obviously, as you can see here, there's a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
Oh, smoke going in your eyes, no go. So you close your eyes and then you try to guess where things are. So over here we got the hot plate.
Don't touch the hot plate.
Ah, that's an octopus.
Greg, where are your keys? I don't know.
Are you taking my keys?
Yeah, they get my wallet from your car.
2 hours later.
Mate, if we're depending on this to eat, good luck there.
Alright lads, are you ready? It's a feast. Cheers, bud. Wow.
That's good, mate.
How lucky were we to catch these? If we didn't catch these guys, we'd be starving now.
We're freaking starvation.
Okay guys, just doing some bottle flips here. Dude, they actually like all ditched us.
Stick your hand in the drum, bro. You can't look, just stick your hand in.
Am I pulling something out?
Yep.
Yeah, you can. It won't harm you. Like it won't. You actually won't contain any permanent damage or anything.
Put your hand in there.
Put your hand
Grab
in.
the
Put your hand
shortest
in.
one.
Tell the viewers what's in there.
I grab it out.
If you grab one out, you're a legend.
No, relax, bro. Just do it.
Okay, you go first.
No.
Right,
Just put your hand in.
I pulled the
Yeah, Harry.
Look at me like something's gonna bite me, bro.
We're waiting for your reaction.
Why move? Right, so everything that before this has been deleted because I'm a man, I'm gonna do
Alright, just do it, bro. Like, what are you waiting for? Just go.
It's moving! Oh, you're dumb.
Just go. You feel around and get the Bro, please, if you don't do it, you're a pussy, bro. You're sleeping outside today.
I think we're already out, bro. Yeah,
Nah.
you guys have already slept outside for a couple of hours, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well done, Blade.
That's
If
it.
it gets in, what's in there?
What did he do?
$105
What?
in there.
Did you actually put...
Yeah!
grab the money out?
What?
That's it. Your phone's in. Oh.
Grab your phone.
Get your phone out. Get your phone out. Quick, it's gonna eat your phone, bro.
Look, grab the phone.
Right, can I have a look at my phone?
Harry gets to keep the phone now.
Yeah, yeah, smell the
You can have it, you can have it.
No.
I don't want it!
Oh, let's see, take my phone.
Hey Raven, I tell you what. If you get the $105, you get to keep it, bro.
It's moving!
It's moving.
Wait, you're scared.
Come on,
It's
bro.
eating my money! It's eating my money!
Go around and just grab the shortest one.
Don't tell Raven what it is.
Oh, wait, am I supposed to have an orgasm? Yeah, I felt it. It touched me, bro. It wants me.
Did you touch something? Did you touch something?
It's playing hard to get though.
Oh, you gotta get one out.
Go.
Put your hand in there.
Go. In.
Go.
Come on, Raven. You can do it, son. You can do it. Come on. Quick, Raven.
Get it. Go, get it in.
It's nothing.
Bro, trust me.
Take it off.
What do you mean it's nothing? I can hear it. They won't be able to see anything. That's it, that's what I need. Where's the footy?
Jai's got it.
I missed it again.
How are you going to protect your wife? Huh?
Honey, this is for you.
Pull one out.
It's for my mum.
It's for your wife, bro.
There's no sand. I thought that was sand.
There's no sand.
You guys gotta feel around, mate. No.
Raven, stop being pussy.
Oh! Listen, he Jai.
Wait, now he can pick anything up, bro.
Oh, it touched me. Oh, it's a crab. I got you.
No, there's not. He needs a break. That's heaps, bro. Go, grab it. Grab the small one. Yeah, you gotta show the camera in your hands.
Oh, that's not that.
You can do it, Raven.
Squish it.
Money again.
Oh, be the crab, bro.
Oh,
Be the crab, bro. Be the crab.
yeah, nip them, bro. Nip them.
You nip them.
Nip.
Zoom my bell. Zoom my bell.
Did it go back in? Did it?
360 back in.
Grab.
There you go, the big one.
Whoa! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was what Raven was trying to get this whole time. Oh, he just got another one. Bro, this guy's getting them more.
Well, we gotta get them all out of it.
Oh, the champion! Anyway, guys, that is the vlog. Hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. Join the Cav Squad. Episode 3 of our survival adventures tomorrow. Will we even live? Will you even see these videos? Or will we just die? But anyway, until then, I will see you guys later.
But he's ready.
You reckon I can eat it?
Wait. Stop.
Basically, we ended the vlog about an hour ago, and then we're like, alright boys, let's go back to the campsite. Who's got the keys?
Oh.